starving. But that's good, you know? My stomach's burning fat. But I'm gonna eat something. I'm gonna get my steak or oyster pancake or something. It's just too many choices now. 一個啊？
好了，可以，稍等一下。6號嘅，都計票，有一個。
來份魚粥，小份。
要大的還是小的啊？一對一個都打了啊。
Ordered a oyster pancake. $20, 20 Chinese dollars. I can't wait to eat. This is my first meal today, and the time is 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, first meal. Oh, can't wait. That bowl is feeding 3 people. I'm only one person. So sad. Who's gonna eat with me? And I can't eat seafood except for oysters. I can't eat seafood because of the thing I did on my face. That's what the doctor said, but I don't care. I'm eating. And I can't eat spicy either. Spicy and seafood. She's making my oysters. I saw the secret. It was oil, egg, oysters, and some kind of powder, magic powder. I don't know what it is. The secret. She puts peanut butter in the congee. I mean, I feel sorry for people who have peanut allergies, but I just saw peanut butter in congee. Oh, secret revealed. That's peanut butter in congee. Oh my god, I can't believe I found their secret. Ooh, steak. What is that? That looks like beef. What is that? That looks so delicious. Yes, I got my food. Oh my god. Oh, that steak looks good. Someone's eating steak. Or like beef or whatever. I don't know what it is, but it looks good. And it looked fresh. I took a peek inside the box. Like, that black box has steak. Pan fried is better than deep fried. This is so good. Oh my god, this is really good. Or it could be because I'm super hungry. She's got 10, 11 burners on. She's cooking 11 things at once. Actually, the other street vendor in Sanmei was better because he had the pickled radish that takes away the oil. I'm feeling greasy now. Maybe this vegetable is supposed to wipe away my grease? Demolished. I might get the steak. So tempted. Maybe. Too tempted. Too tempted to eat it. I gotta leave. Okay. Actually, what I ate so far is all protein, which is okay. Maybe I should leave it like that. Yeah, maybe I should call it a night. Go edit some videos now. This looks good. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Cao. Fried noodles, fried rice. I'm lost. Go this way. That's it for my night video. So if you like, subscribe, repost, heart me, follow me. I don't know, whatever you guys do on YouTube. Okay? So give me a kiss. See you tomorrow. This shirt, it actually does feel cooler and my sweat doesn't soak into the shirt. Now I know why they wear this.